Today I wanted to take you through the process of what I do to make a tattoo in Procreate. I have different brushes. I'm using a skull. I'll show you what we're doing. It's right here. That's what we're gonna end up doing. That's the final product, and I'll show you how to do it. So let's get into it. Before we get things started, I just want to let you know I'm live every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday on YouTube about 6:30 p.m. So if you want to catch me live drawing, I do mostly emotes for Twitch, but I've been trying to get my hand into different types. So this is me going through it. This is a skull that I did earlier today, but we're going to take you right through the process of doing a skull. So as you see here, we got something that I did before, but when we're making these, you're gonna want a reference photo or something that, like, so what I did with this one is I had a photo that I just outlined and I designed it myself. So what I want to do is we're gonna do a skull, I think. So we're gonna go here. I think we like this one. I'm going to start a new canvas. I'm going to do the square 2048 by 2048. And I'm going to go ahead and add, insert, and I'm going to insert the photo. New layer, canvas, drawing guides, and we're going to do symmetry. No, we're not going to do symmetry. No symmetry on this one. That's right. Alright, so the first step that I want to do is I want to get a good outline on this. So I have these brushes called the Rusty Nib. I will put the link in the description for these, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to start outlining. I don't want the drawing assistant on. And I'm going to start outlining this. To what I feel like is good. These brushes are kind of grunge. And it doesn't have to be exact, just something that looks kind of like it. I think the more rugged it is, the cooler it looks. We're gonna clean up this part right here. And you see how these lines are kind of just jagged and doing whatever they want? We'll keep them like that. And the next part I want to do is I want to get in the eyes and the nose. So now that we have the skull outline, I'll show you guys. We have the skull outline, no teeth yet. We're just gonna keep the teeth separate for now. We are gonna try to fill in with some texture and like different hardness of lines. Teeth have been acquired. Now we just got a cracked skull. We're gonna reference this layer and create a new layer underneath it, and we're gonna choose like a nice lightish, like mid-gray, and then for the inside nose, darker. And I know what you're saying, it looks kind of flat now, but if we add a new layer, clipping mask it, and we go to the Rusty Nib brushes, we got this Stain Master. Try to make the Stain Master pretty big, and it starts giving it, there we go, a little bit of texture. We're gonna create another layer, use black, we're gonna go back up, where is it, to the Bold Engraver single, and we're gonna want to add different finer lines around some of this stuff. I think I want to add a chunk of head missing, so I'm gonna see if we can do that. So we're getting there. Starting to look like a good skull. I think I might want to do a bigger outline on the outer edge. The nose is kind of tricky because it, like, the way that the nose is on a human, it, like, it's just cartilage, so there's nothing there, but you still want to act like the nose hole kind of has nostrils, so we're going to put an outline, these outlines on it, to get it looking more like a fragile skull. So we got our skull. One of the last things I want to do is I want to add a bigger outer box to it, so I'm going to increase my size and just go ham on it. Oh, that looks so good. Oh boy. You can see me getting excited for this stuff. So we can use this kind of as a tattoo. What I want to do is I'm going to bring up references for flowers up on my big screen. And we're going to start adding stuff, flowers and whatnot. All we have to do, we got our flowers, we got our skull. I think the skull looks pretty good. We're just gonna color the flowers in, with a new layer underneath. See if we can set this as reference. I doubt that it's gonna work, but yeah, it's not gonna work. We're gonna go with more muted, darker colors. We have a skull tattoo design. I'm sorry, the whatchamacallit's blurry. I don't want... There we go. So this is the final product. I can put it on a skin color for you. So I think we're good. This is, I added a little texture. You can see it. It just has a little texture to it. And I think it brings everything together pretty well. The only thing I might do is change the color of like this skull, maybe darker. Yeah, the darker looks good. And we made a tattoo out of Procreate. This is one of my very first, so if you guys have any questions, be sure to ask them down in the comments below. But I think this is fairly good. The brushes are down below. If you guys want to catch me live, I'm live on YouTube. Like, comment, share, do your thing. But I enjoyed doing this. Thank you so much, and I will see you later.